The scene unfolds gradually like a mysterious and captivating nocturnal tableau. A space where shadows dance in response to the whispers of the audience in the dim light. Each movement, like a star's glimmer in the darkness, embodies an emotion seeking expression. A tale told without words. A silent symphony of feelings. The gestures become dreams, flashes of emotion and beauty and elegance and grace that traverse the atmosphere like shards of light, dancing on the calm water of a nocturnal lake. Dance is the harmonious and intricate weaving of souls, creating a beautiful and mesmerizing tapestry of light, where each dancer becomes a golden thread, illuminating the space with their unique and radiant presence. Dance transcends the boundaries of language and culture in its purest form,